Welcome back for another exciting Python video where we work with Python lists using functions to do analytics. So right here I have a list with how many elements are in this list. Notice it's called iStudentGrade. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This can represent 5 different grades. What we do is I tell Python to sort it, so it puts it from low to high, and then I tell it to reverse it. So 100 would be first, followed by 89, 75, 65, 15. So you have to sort it and then reverse it. This code says find the maximum grade. Max, if you remember, is a function, so it looks through the whole list and returns the highest grade. Another way we can do it is if we sorted it in reverse order, the 100 would be at the top, and I say, hey, Python, go to the student grade list and get me the first element, and that's one way of doing it. This code will pass the entire list to the Python min function, and we'll find out the lowest grade. Here's another way to get the minimum grade. If we sort it from highest to lowest, this code will find out how many elements are in it, subtract one from it, and get me the one at the bottom of the list. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, access 0 through 4. If this is too complex for you, just use the min function. And what we do here is we put out the whole list to the screen. We get the sum. Sum is another function. We pass the whole list to the sum function. And then we take the sum divided by how many elements, which is 5, and we get an average. Let's run the code and see how it works. All right, this is the list. Let me come up here. See right here, see the reverse? This code here, these 2 lines of code, put it from highest to lowest. The max was getting one of 2 ways, using the max function or getting the first element, because element 0 is right here, which is the highest. This would be element 4. Remember 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, even though we have 5 elements. And here's the min logic, here's the sum, and here's the average.